Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool mix right here, and basically what this is a butcher knife that's used to chop stuff, or if you guys want to slice stuff, you can definitely use this in both of those situations, which is pretty awesome. And then see it from the brand Buffalo right here. If you guys never heard this brand, they actually make a lot of different products ranging from like rice cookers to like woks, to pots and pans and knives, and the list goes on. But if you can see in the back right here, they tell you guys some of the specs on the product and some of the benefits that's on here as well. And if you can see on the side right here, they tell you guys what kind of knife it is. So this is a 7-inch butcher knife and super sharp. But I'm actually open it up and show you guys what it looks like inside. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So I definitely love the packaging of the product right here. You can see it's definitely very safe. When you guys look at the handlebar right here, it definitely feels like a high quality material, and it definitely has a very good grip right here. So that way when you guys grip it, it feels really comfortable. And you see this side of the blade right here, it looks really sharp. Let me actually take it out to show you guys what it actually looks like and how it feels. So when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. It definitely is a high quality knife right here. If I tilt it this way, you guys can see how sharp the blade is, or how sharp the knife is. And when we actually grip it right here, it definitely feels really nice and super comfortable. It definitely has a very nice grip to it, which is pretty nice. So if I wanted to use it to chop stuff or slice stuff, it definitely works both ways. Because of the way how they've designed the product, actually works both ways, which is pretty awesome. But I'm actually bring this over and test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the butcher knife. So I'm gonna test it out to cut some scallops right here that we got from the fridge that's not fully defrosted. So it's gonna be still pretty hard. So you can see when we squeeze it, it's really hard. Alright, so let's test it out. So you can see how it went through really easily, and that's not even defrosted. Let's do it one more time. Alright, so if you feel the inside, it's still really hard. You can still feel how it's pretty icy inside. And you see how it went through so easily. Alright, so we got another hard one right here, you guys can hear. It's really hard. So let's give it a try and see how this works. So you can see how it slides through so easily. So you can definitely tell how sharp the actual knife is. We cut into 4 pieces, and you can definitely feel the ice inside, or the frozen part inside. So you can definitely use a product for chopping or slicing stuff, even if it's frozen. If you can see right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you got some quick test of the product, you can definitely see it actually works really well. So if you need to cut like chicken or fish, or if you guys need to dice up stuff, you can definitely use this product for any of those situations. If you guys can see, when we actually use the product, it's literally so sharp that you don't need to sharpen it anytime soon, which is pretty awesome. And I really like the grip on the handle. If you guys can see, it feels really nice and super comfortable when we actually use it. It's definitely a huge upgrade compared to other knives that I used in the past, where the actual handle part is all stainless steel, so it doesn't give you guys like a good grip on that. Whereas this one actually gives you guys a very good grip, so you don't have to worry about it dropping or falling off or slipping off your hand, which is pretty nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this butcher knife, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys are trying to look for a knife or a blade that works as both a chopping option and also a slicing option. So that way you guys don't have to use different knives. You can just use one of these right here. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.